Good morning, everyone. Calling all Haven students to please gather here on the Harvard floor to start our classroom.
It is the flag ceremony for grade 9 in National High School. Just only every day, one level, Monday grade 2, Tuesday grade 8, and Wednesday grade 9, and Thursday grade 10, and so on. So flag ceremony always will start like this. And there is a group of students there, the organizer. That one, the tallest one, is my hero sign. I don't know if he can understand the Saya.
May I request everybody that during the singing of the national anthem and then the saying of our mission and vision, you have to, all of you must do. You have to say it all and sing the national anthem. If you will not, I will let you sing again and again. Did you get me?
Tayo'y manalangin. Aming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, salamat po sa araw na ito. Salamat po sa magandang kalusugan at sa mga biyayang aming natatanggap araw-araw. Tunay na kay buti mo po, Panginoon, kaya patuloy na pinupuri at sinasamba ka namin. Dalangin po namin na gabayanin po kami sa araw na ito. Tulungan niyo po kami na maunawaan ang lahat ng mga araling ituturo sa amin. Bigyan niyo po kami ng talino, pagmamahal, at kalakasan sa aming pag-aaral. Pagpalain niyo po ang aming bansa, ang aming paaralan, ang aming mga guro at mga magulang. Salamat po sa pangalan ng aming Panginoong Jesucristo. Amen. Mayang makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinila, tahanan ng aking lahi, tinutuktok ako ang tinuturuan, maging malakas na sipag at talaga, dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, narinig ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang, susundin ko ang tungkulin ng paalala, tutuparin ko ang tungkulin ng isang mayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nananalangin ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay para sa sisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
To DepEd mission, to protect and promote the right of every Filipinos to quality, equitable, culture-based and complete basic education, where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learnings and constantly nurture everyone. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners.
The DepEd mission. We dream of Filipinos who come into the country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute to the community development. As awareness of their opportunity and perfect education continues to enable itself to better serve stakeholders.
Good morning, everyone! Okay, this week, this month, we are going to celebrate our Buwan ng Wika. No, as much as possible, let us try to speak and talk to our friends in using Filipino language. Ha? So dapat matututo kayo na makipag-usap sa inyong mga kaibigan gamit ang lingwahe Filipino. Okay, i-announce ko lang na may mga kaganapan tayo tuwing para sa Buwan ng Wika. Tapos, yung Filipino teacher niyo, siya yung magsasabi kung ano yung mga gagawin natin for this week. Okay, for next week, na-assign to have this convocation will be the class of services. Asan dito class of services? Kayo ang in charge